Good morning, guys. Again, today we'll see a new tutorial. We'll see Cypress automation today. So we'll see Cypress 2. Okay. So here also we are going to build one framework Cypress 2. For that, first in the first video, we'll see how to install the Cypress. Okay. In the next videos, we'll slowly we'll create an framework and we'll automate the application. So in this video, mainly we are concentrating on the installation part of the Cypress. Okay. For that, we have some steps for installation of Cypress. First, we'll have we have to download the Node.js. Okay. Install the Node.js 12 or 14 and above versions. Next, we have to set up the environment variables path. Next, we have to create a working folder in the file explorer. Next, we have to generate the package.json so that we can add the dependencies in the package.json. Then you have to go to the command prompt. Then you give n-npm. Then your package.json will be installed. Okay. Next one is we have to install the Cypress. For that, we use the command npm install cypress --save.dev. Okay. Next, we should download the Visual Studio editor. And next, what we are going to do is we have to go to the file, install the file directory in the. We have to upload the file directory in the Cypress. Okay. So this is what we are going to see in the video. Okay. First, we will see the how to download the Node.js from the the Google. First, click it. Windows installer. Click OK and start down. Okay. Okay. Now it's downloaded. We have to go to the path, program files, Node.js, and this path will be there. Now this path we copy and set in our environmental variables. We have to go there, copy the node, go to the user variables, the node home. We have to go and copy the path of the Node.js where we kept. And next, after that, we have to go to the system variables. Then again, we have to set the path of the Node.js. See program files, Node.js, we have to set. Okay. After setting the environmental variables, what we have to do is, okay, now what we have to do is we have to create a working folder in the our directory. Okay, so for what project we are going to work it, we have to create a folder here. Folder, we have to go there and we have to create one Cypress C2TA. We'll have C2TA. Okay. Okay. Next, we have to go to the command prompt from the working folder. Then we have to use this command, right? Npm -npm, then init. Okay. Then okay. Now it's creating a package.json here. Okay. So first we click enter, package name, version, description, entry point, and test command. Then git repository. Then keywords, then we'll give the author here. So now it's creating a JSON, the package.json file. Okay, so where we can add the dependencies here. Okay, first we will add the so now the package.json will be created where we are going to add the dependencies. Same thing like in the pom.xml we'll have in the Maven project where we'll add dependencies so that the libraries will be supported here. So it will download the libraries that we can use it in our project. Same thing, we have a package.json where we will add the dependencies so that we can use all these methods for executing our scripts. Okay, so that is how we are adding this in our project. Okay, so after that, what should is this will ask yes or no. We'll give yes. Okay, now the package.json is created. We can see the back to back file, right? A package.json has been created in the folder, whatever folder which we created. Okay, now after that, what we should do is we will go to the notepad. Okay, now we should install the Cypress. Okay, for that the command is npm space install space Cypress. Okay, hyphen save dev. Okay, click it. This is a command for installing the Cypress. Now Cypress is installed. It's installing. We'll again give that command now npm install. We'll just copy and paste it. npm install Cypress save dev. Okay. So last time the folder we didn't give the right folder, that was not working. So we created a new folder. Now we are giving this command. So now it should work. It's installing the Cypress now machine. So this is how we should give npm install Cypress save dev. Okay. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll download the Visual Studio as we noted in the notepad. We'll go to Google. Okay, open. Now we should go open the Visual Studio. We install the Visual Studio code now. Now we'll open that. Now we'll upload the folder which we created. Now the folder has been created. Now we can see the package.json. Okay. So basically this is the setup. So this is the dependency. Okay. So in the next video we'll start creating the framework, and we'll identify the test cases, which are the test cases we are going to automate, and we'll generate the report. So this is the plan. So in the first video, just show the installation of the Cypress, the download of Node.js, installation of Cypress, right? And the installation of package.json we saw in this video. The next video we'll see the framework and the test cases. Okay, thank you.